Good morning, students. So, as we were reading chapter number 7, the kite. Yesterday, we have read about the kite. What we have read about this kite? We have read about this kite. So, the kite is very naughty. Why? Whenever it breaks its strings, it sits on the tops of houses or sometimes gets stuck in trees or falls into the ponds or on the grass. It has snow white face and pink and white ears. It is a naughty kite, but it is such a pretty kite. Now, let me read our next page. Okay. It is made of paper and little bits of string tied together. Look at it now. It is stuck on a red roof. The children pull the tail of the kite, but the kite does not move. They try again. Then they bring a ladder. They climb up carefully. Just then the wind lifts the kite. It flies away again. It flies over the field and far, far away. Okay, students? So first we will repeat hard words. M-A-D-E, made. The first one is made. M-A-D-E, made. Now, the next is B-I-T-S, bits. S-T-R-I-N-G, string. T-I-E-D, tied. And T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R, together. Once again, M-A-D-E, made. B-I-T-S, bits. S-T-R-I-N-G, string. T-I-E-D, tied. And T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R, together. Now the next is S-T-U-C-K, stuck. R-O-O-F, roof. P-U-L-L, pull. T-A-I-L, tail. A-G-A-I-N, again. Now next, B-R-I-N-G, bring. L-A-D-D-E-R, ladder. C-R-I-M-B, climb. C-A-R-E-F-U-L-L-Y, carefully. Carefully. F-I-E-L-D, filled. And A-W-A-Y, away. So these are our hard words which we have to pronunciate now. It is made of paper and a little bits of string. So how the kite is made of? Kite कैसे बनता है? Kite paper और little bit string से बनते हैं जो एक दूसरे से टाइड होते हैं, यानी बंधे हुए होते हैं. Look at it now. देखो इसे. It is stuck on a red roof. Now this kite is stuck on a red roof. So as you can see, students, there is a house and the house has red roof. Now this time naughty kite is stuck on this red roof. The children pull the tail of the kite. what are the children doing? They are trying to catch it. So they are pulling the tail of a kite. But the kite doesn't move. Then try again. लेकिन काइट तो मूव करती नहीं है. Then once again they try to pull it. तो वो फिर से ट्राई करते हैं किस चीज़ की? काइट को पुल करने की, ताकि जो काइट स्टक हो गई है रेड रूफ पर वो उसे ले सके. Why they are trying to pull it? Because this kite is very very pretty. बहुत सुंदर है. So now then they bring a ladder. They climb up carefully. Do you know the meaning of ladder? Ladder, it means this one. Okay, इसे ladder कहते हैं. And we use this to climb on the high place. Okay, जब हमें high place पे ऊंची जगह पर जाना होता है तो वहाँ क्लाइंब करने के लिए हम लैडर का यूज़ करते हैं. सो देन दे ब्रिंग अ लैडर. व्हाट डिड दे डू नेक्स्ट? दे ब्रिंग अ लैडर. वो लैडर लेकर आते हैं. दे क्लाइंब अप केयरफुली. और वो केयरफुली क्लाइंब अप करते हैं. जस्ट देन द विंड lifts the kite and suddenly what happened? The wind came and lifts the kite. तभी क्या हुई? विंड आई और इस काइट को उड़ा कर ले गई. It flies away again. और फिर से ये दूर चली गई उड़ती हुई. It flies over the field and far far away. ये फील्ड के ऊपर से होती हुई फ्लाई करती हुई काफ़ी काफ़ी दूर चली गई. सो इट फ्लाइज फार फार अवे. सो सी स्टूडेंट्स, दैट इज़ अ वेरी नॉटी काइट. It never ever stay at a place. Just like that you also never ever sit at a place while you are taking class, while you are sitting in the room. So you also never ever take a particular place. You never ever stay at a place. Okay, so same is here with kite. This kite is very naughty and it is not stay at a place. It flies away sometimes top of the houses, sometimes stuck in the trees, and sometimes it falls into the ponds or on the grass. Okay, so have you seen how the boys were trying to pull it when it was stuck on the red roof, but they could not get success. And when the wind came, then once again this kite flies far far away. So students, you will read the chapter once again. Okay.